Hello everyone, Christy here. After installing more than 1,000 websites since 2009, I've gotten the process down to a science. Follow me in this tutorial and I will show you how in just 15 minutes you can set up your very own website easy. This is my don't pay that, pay this slide. Professional websites will run you anywhere in the ballpark from $500 to $2,500, and this is for your basic website, guys. And something they don't want you to know is you can actually have a superior website built for under $20. And this is going to take you between 20 and 30 minutes. Simple, easy, doesn't take too long. There's 4 easy steps to this. Get a domain name. That's simply the URL that comes after the www dot. Purchase your hosting. That's what makes it live on the internet. Install WordPress and select a theme. The do-it-yourself cost is going to be between $12 and $15 to reserve your domain name. That's not monthly, that's for the entire year. And just a single penny for your first month of hosting and $7.95 a month after that. It is a phenomenal deal using this code that I found. I have not found a better code, a better deal out there, and I doubt you will either. Here we're at Hostgator.com. Below this video, I'll also include a link to it along with the awesome coupon code I told you about. So to get started, we're going to click View Web Hosting Plans. For most of us, the single domain hatchling plan is the perfect plan. If you're planning on having more than one site, you might want to consider doing the baby plan. But for this video, we're going to stick with the hatchling plan. We're going to go down to monthly, $7.16 a month. Now don't worry, that's not what you're going to pay. You've got that awesome coupon code. For those of you who want a steeper discount, you can lock yourself into a plan for 1, 2, or 3 years and bring the cost down as well. I'm going to click on the monthly, $7.16, order now. Here we're at the order page. We're going to start by selecting what domain name we would like. Something short, easy to remember. I already selected mine and reserved it prior to making this video, but I will enter something in just as an example. Christy Remarketing Now. So you can see that it is indeed available, and it'll tell you the cost for the entire year, which in this instance is $12.95. I strongly recommend you stick with .coms. If yours is not available, do not go over to .net, org, info, or biz, because essentially most people when typing out a website think .com, so you're just going to be sending them to your competitors, and you really don't want to do that. Scroll down here. And you see the coupon code Snappy in here. That is not the coupon we want to use. That's not going to give us the same discount and give us our first month of hosting for a penny. So we're going to take that one out and type in our code penny right now. And we're going to click validate and see if it takes it. Go down here. In this instance, it did work. However, if it does not work, copy that. Go up to the URL at the top, see where it says Snappy 1 right here. We're just going to delete that part and actually enter penny right now there and click enter. Okay, so it's going to want me to re-enter my domain name. Let's see. Christy Remarketing. Alright. Now we're going to scroll down here. You come up with your username, enter in all your information, email. You can pay by PayPal or credit card. But before you finish up, I recommend you uncheck these boxes. I think they're just not worth the money. So we don't need the domain privacy protection or site lock. So just uncheck those boxes. Scroll down and look at your bill. It should say the 24/7 live chat email support is free. Instant account activation free. Not all hosting plans give this for free. Sometimes there's a $60 or more fee. So this is pretty awesome that HostGator offers that for free. You got your money back guarantee. hosting hatchling plan package. We did the 1 month cycle for $8.95 a month. The coupon credit, yours should say penny right now and give you that discount. If it does not say that, try validating it again or entering at the top left in the URL. Domain registration, that's $12.95 for the whole year, not just for the month. No setup price. Your total due right here should be around this amount. $12.96 for your first month of hosting an entire year of domain name. That is the best deal out there that I have seen. So check your I've read and agreed to the terms and create your account. This is a screenshot of what your email from Hostgator should look like. We're going to be logging into our control panel, so you can click this link and use your username and password that they had sent you. You could also type it in manually and it will redirect by typing in your domain name and then /cpanel. Here's a screen you should see for logging into your cPanel. Enter in your username and password. Scroll down and under software services we're going to click quick install. Now I've actually already got WordPress installed, but I'm still going to walk you through the process. Over here on the left hand side we're going to click WordPress, continue. Now you don't want to enter anything in here. I'm just going to do this for an example. Like I said, I already have WordPress installed, so I'm just going to add another page to it. Install WordPress. That information, you'll want to come up with accurate ones. Install now, and you'll see that goes pretty darn quick. Congratulations, your installation is ready. So here's your admin panel now, and don't lose this password. So you got your username and copy that password. Go to the admin panel. A new tab, enter in your username, that password you were just given, and click log in. Alright guys, congratulations. You are now in your admin panel for the first time. So I'm going to show you how to install the theme for your site to get it ready. We're going to go over here on the left under Appearance and click on Themes. Go to this tab, Install Themes, and look under Featured or do a search, and you will find a number of free themes that you can choose from. Now there's one in particular I'd like to show you that's on another site, and it is free. This is one of my favorite themes. It's on the website webdesigntunes.com. It's called Responsive Theme. It's got a real simplistic, crisp look to it. It's easy on the eyes. You can view it on your iPhone, desktop, or tablet, and depending on the size of the screen, the layout of the website will change for your convenience. You've got your 3 widgets here at the bottom, your social media icons. It's just a great website whether you want to use it for business or personal. I do have a living, working example of it. Actually, it's a site we run, helpineedasite.com. And on this website we actually teach you, we've got both video, we've got audio and text, how to create an amazing website. So if you have any other questions and you need further tutorials that isn't covered here, by all means visit this site. We're back at webdesigntunes.com. We're going down to the bottom here where it says download now. Click that. Download version. Alright. I'm going to save the file. Okay, so it looks like it downloaded successfully. Now that you've finished downloading the theme, I need you to go back to your website, click the tab Install Themes, click Upload, Browse, go to wherever it was that you saved your theme. See, we got ours here. It's called Responsive. Click Install Now. It's unpacking, installing. It says Theme installed successfully. Click Activate. Now you have the option of visiting the site. It's not all set up. Here's what it's going to look like. The basic, you've got all your placeholders here. Let's return back to our website, You've completed the first 4 steps that it takes to create the website. Now I'm going to show you how to edit your WordPress settings. The first thing I'd like you to do is to go into Users, select your profile, fill out your information, a valid email address, and scroll down here to the bottom. Now this is really important, guys. There's a lot of hackers out there that want to do some nasty things to your site, so it's best that you create a password with a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters as well as numbers. Once you've completed that, select Update Profile to get it to save. Then we're going to scroll back up, enter into Settings, click Permalinks, and make sure that post name is selected. This is for SEO purposes to help boost your ranking. Select Save Changes once you've done that. And now we're going to go into Appearance, Menus, come up with a main menu name. I'm just going to title it Main. Select Create Menu. Go over here to the left, under Theme Locations, select Main for top menu, Main for header menu, and click Save. Now you can see, if you go to your website right now, that we don't have anything here in the menu. Now to get that to change, we're going into Pages, select Add New, and right now it's just important to come up with some pages like Contact, About Us, Links, Home, whatever it is you need, and select Publish for each one. If you want to view all your pages, simply click All Pages, and you'll see the pages you have, and you can just keep adding. Now we're going to go back to Menus. You'll see that under Pages here on the left, you can click whichever ones you would like and add them to the menu. Click Save. Go back to your website, refresh. You'll see they're all right here. Now if you'd like to change the order of these here in the menu, that's a simple task. Go over here to your main menu and you can just move them around quite easily, just like that. Click Save Menu, and when you refresh, they will be in the order that you changed it. Now to add content to your pages, simply click Pages on the left, select which page you would like to add your content to, click Edit, write whatever it is that you want to include, click Update here on the right, and when anyone goes to your site and goes to that page, that will come right on up. Now, if you missed any of these steps, we have all this information here on the website, helpinedasite.com. And here we have the instructions. We've got Module 1, setting up your website, and what I explained here, installing WordPress, plugins, and settings. So click whichever module you need to go over, and here we've taken screenshots of everything that we've gone over here in this video, including the upcoming videos, next being how to install WordPress plugins. Thanks for watching, guys.